Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can carry burgers on Dress to Impress. So get the apple and place it on your right arm. I'm also just going to basically color everything last for this video. Get the masculine hair and use this one. And for the position, X.44. And then Y.14, and then Z.17, and rotate the X to 0.44, Y at 0.5, Z 0.5, and scale it all the way to 0.05. You gotta trust the process on this one, by the way. Then we're going to grab this necklace here, the bloody necklace one. For this one, position the X at 0.62, Y 0.53, Z 0.006, 0.06, that's what I meant to say. Rotate the X at 0.48, the Y at 0.5, Z 0.5, and scale it to just 0.50. Then we are going to grab this bonnet here, and then we're going to position it at 0.66. Nope, this way. Y at 0.30. Z 0.15. Rotate the X to 0.35. And we're going to scale it all the way to 0. And that's for the top bun. Then we're going to grab this curly whirly hair. This one. And then we're going to position it at 0.66. The Y at 0.21. The Z at 0.12. Rotate it the same and scale it to 0.04 for the lettuce. And then we're going to grab this thingy majig. Where is it? Hello? Oh, it's this one. And then we are going to position it at 0.66. The Y at 0.23. Z at 0.12, rotate at 0.26, scale it all the way to 0.10. Then we need 3 more items. This hat here, we're going to adjust it to 0.67, sorry. Y at 0.26. Z 0.12, rotate it at 0.57 for the X rotation, scale it all the way to 0. Okay, next we have, hold on, this hat here. Actually, let me do this one first because it's the closest. We're going to position the X at 0.66, 0.23 for the Y axis, Z at 0.20, rotate it at 0, and then scale it all the way to 0.10 for the bottom bun, I assume. Hold on, this doesn't seem right. I think this needs to go up a little bit more for the lettuce part. Okay, now for the plate, we're going to go here, grab this hat, and for that adjustment, 0.61, Y at 0.12, Z at 0.16, rotate it the same and scale it all the way down to 0. Now time to color. I'm going to color everything white for the plate for this one. And then for the bun, I guess you can like use, not this pattern. You can use a pattern or not. That's up to you. Let me see if there's any good patterns. Maybe this one. That one seems cool. And then for the bottom bun, I'll try to have it as exactly as the same like color, I guess. Like maybe this is good enough. That's good enough. And then this, I'm just going to color it more brown. Oh my god, I just put on something. Okay, and then for this, I guess just spread for like the tomato ketchup. Why is that green? What's green there? I don't know what's happening. Oh, the apple. Okay, I'm going to color the apple brown as well. And then for this hat, I'm going to color yellow for like the cheese. And then for the lettuce, it's like this one here. I'm going to color green. And lastly, we have this hair. I'm going to color like yellow for the fries. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!